In the vast expanse where the stars do gleam, let's sing a cosmic planetary dream. First is Mercury, quick and hot, closest to the sun like a fiery dot. Venus twirls with clouds so thick, in a greenhouse effect that does the trick. Earth is next, our home so blue, with oceans deep and skies so true. Mars is red, a rusty hue, with dusty plains and mountains too. Jupiter's big, the giant of all. Its great red spot is a storm so tall. Saturn spins with rings so bright, a glittering halo in the night. Uranus rolls with a tilt so grand, a blue-green sphere in a distant land. Neptune's winds are fierce and fast, a deep blue world both bold and vast. From Mercury's heat to Neptune's breeze, our solar system's a sight to please. 9 planets dance in space's grand show, each with its charm and glow. So here's the ride from start to end, the planets' names, my cosmic friends. Earth is next, our home so blue, with oceans deep and skies so true.